Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I want to show one pattern that can be very interesting for traders. It's a triple top, and it's not so often that we can see in the market. However, this is the some process when we have a strong bullish trend, for example like this. We have a bullish trend for British pound dollar since September 11, and from this price of the 1.3 we got 3.3430 price. So as you can see, what's happened at the September 25 on Thursday, we reach the resistance level. This resistance level, as you can see, was very strong, and after that we have a pullback. Then in Friday we reach the resistance again, and today we try to reach that resistance again. So if we just put a trend line here like this, you can see we had 1, 2, 3 times touch resistance, and today we just reach very close to resistance. And in all these cases we had rejection, price rejection. If we go on a 4-hour chart and just draw the trend line on the relative strength index, what we can see is a bearish bias. So I know the trend is bullish and it's a clear bullish trend, but what we can see right now that on oscillator we see that price is lower and lower every single day, and even that we see a bullish trend on the chart. So we have a classical divergence in this case. If we watch a 30-minute chart, here you can see that today we again reached to the level 70. So you see the 70 level here in Thursday, 70 level almost on Friday, today the 70 level again, and every single time was rejection. So this level is very strong, and I can assume that big dogs and some big hedge funds or big banks try to protect this price level. So because of this, I entered this morning in a sell order. I made sell order, I entered in the bearish move. So as you can see, I entered here at 1.3815, and I put 15 pips stop loss just above the highest high in the last 3 days. So my stop loss is almost 15-16 pips. In other accounts I have a better positions when I enter today, so my average stop loss is around the 15 pips, and what I want to see is a big swing trade, big swing bearish trade. So I'm watching some levels, and the first level that I would like to see, actually I think the biggest extension that I can see is about 1.32 price level. So this level at 1.32 is actually, it's a round number, it's a clear number, and it is in the intersection of the trend. So this is the number that I would like to see in this pullback. So it's a more than 220 pips from my entry point, and if this happens, it will be one beautiful trade where I have a beautiful risk-reward ratio. So I risk 15 pips and I try to achieve 220 pips. Of course, this is the wishes, and I know that in trading you need to be prepared everything what can happen and what we can expect here. So the next level that it's possible to be is, as you can see, level that's it's a 26 August high, and you can see this is the soft level. It's at 1.3270. That can happen to reach this level and be some kind of rejection, but I don't believe that this level be so strong, but I will monitor that level to see what can happen. And of course, in worst case, there are 2 levels that I don't like to be, but I need to be cautious and monitor that. One is a level around 1.33, and another level that can happen. This is, of course, the worst of the worst. This is the level 1.336. So in the worst case, I assume that we can see move up to 336, and in that case I will reach, it will be around 60 pips. around the 60 pips. For me, maybe 55, 60 pips, something like that. And I think that pullback is for sure, because it was the support in last 2 days and can be again the new support for the Monday open. However, like I said, I want to see a larger pullback in this case, and I would like to see that price move up to 1.32. So I'm watching to see what's happened, and I'm watching other charts. For example, I want to see what will happen in euro dollar, for example, because the euro dollar is, as you know, correlated with British pound dollar. And today it's a bullish day. It's a bullish day. We had some kind of rejection of the high today. And right now we're trying to go, we're maybe 25 pips below this resistance. And if I want to see the larger move, I want to see the bearish candle or doji candle for Monday for euro dollar too, because what I want to see is the US dollar strength. I want that US dollar a little bit recover from the last 2 weeks, and because of that, I believe that this swing trade is possible. Already now, I put a break even for my stop loss. Actually, after this video, I will put break even for my stop loss, and I will wait to see what will happen. But like I said, I would like to see a larger move. First, this is the first support. I want to see what will happen. And then, like I said, I would like to see 220 pips profit target. What I know that can happen here is if we touch this level, 1.336, there is a probability that the price react on that support. It's normal. And because of that, maybe during the US session, we can see another push, maybe up to this price, up to 1.334. So in this range where we are right now can be the next resistance for this day. And after that, maybe after the US session or during the US session, I want to see that price is bearish and try to break this support on 336. If I see, for example, that this not happen, or that price whole day trying to push about 1.34, maybe I will close my trade with a small profit or something like that, because it's not natural. Like I said, I want today with all efforts to price tries to break 336. So this support is crucial. This support 336 is crucial to be broken if I want to see this bearish week. This week can be bearish, but only if we see the break here. I'm bearish bias, not just because the price. I watched the economic data for this week. For example, at Friday we have an NFP projection that US dollar will be on the same level like last month. Everything is very clear to the same level as the last month. We don't expect any bad news for US dollar. And because of that, I want to see maybe some kind of the push for US dollar, some kind of recovery, which is normal in this case. Of course, market is not easy to predict. I don't want to predict the market. I just want to make some kind of speculation. I just want to make some projections and to enter in the nice levels like now. I'm very good level because I made an excellent sell order just on the top of the day, and I always feel comfortable when I enter into trade. I enter into resistance and see how trade makes 20, 25 pips down, and in that case I feel comfortable because I'm profit, and I always can set the stop loss or the break even, and my balance is protected. So this is it. Please, you can comment my trade. You can give some other ideas. I hope that I will cover during the week. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.